Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Mexican shrimp cocktail. If you've never had one of these before, get ready because you're going to love it. And if you've already had it before, you know you want the recipe on how to make this. And I make mine slightly different than the traditional way, but equally as good. Your recipe is going to be in the description area, and any extras that I want you guys to know that I don't discuss in the video is going to be in your description area. So if you want to learn how to make this, please keep watching. I'm gonna jump right into this. I'm not gonna take up your time because this recipe is that easy. You're gonna pour your Clamato. If you're allergic to shellfish, you don't wanna use Clamato. Just use, I'll give you guys your recommendation if you're allergic to shellfish and can't have anything that has oysters, because Clamato does have a little bit of oyster, so look out for that. Some regular V8 juice. They have a spicy one, go with the regular one. Now you're gonna add your citrus blend, lemon juice, lime. Key lime is ideal for this. You know what I say, make it comfortable for your home. Your ketchup. What? Yes. Start with a little bit with your ketchup, and then you can gradually add more if you need it. And before I get started on my next blend, this little wonderful blend, I have it in the description. It's part of the ingredients, but I wanted to show you guys the Maggi seasoning that's listed is this one. It looks like this. You can get one at the dollar store. You can get one at the dollar store. You can get them at Asian markets, but if you guys see it, you guys want to pick this one out, especially with like seafood. I really like the flavor that it gives. So put the magic blend in there. Your favorite hot sauce, I'd say stick with a Mexican hot sauce, because if you're putting Red Devil in here, you're changing the dynamic of what this dish needs to be. Pepper to taste. Ooh, and some salt to taste. Give that a good mix. For some reason, when I use shrimp, I really like the color of, or the look of the pepper, the black pepper. And it gives it a nice little spice. Now once you've blended all your ingredients in here, I want you to go ahead and give it a taste. That's perfect. That is perfect. Oh, let me give you a little taste, Cloud.
No, I'm good.
Why? No, she doesn't want to taste it, guys? Just being all shy over here today? Shout out to my sister. Not only does she have a 9 to 5, she takes the time and her free time to help me out here on this channel, and I am forever grateful. Such a hardworking young lady. So shout out to Cloud. Oh yeah! Oh, Cloudy!
Nice job calling me a young lady. Thank you.
Alright, so let's go ahead and discuss veggies. Chopped up cucumber, and you can chop your cucumbers however your heart desires. I grated carrots. I love carrots with shrimp because it adds a really good balance of the sweetness. Okay, I have some green onion, cilantro, purple onion. If you don't have purple onion, you can use yellow or white onion, and some fresh tomato, or as Abe calls it, a tomato. I don't know, my babies are getting older and I'm just having such a blast with their nonsense. They're so awesome. I really like adding a lot of fresh veggies to my portion because you get to eat more vegetables this way. Just makes it fun. Because you know you have the American cocktail that just has like the what is that, the cocktail sauce and shrimp. Doesn't have that much in it. But
I think that serves a different purpose.
It really does, but I used to love, okay, I'm a little bit of a sicko. They used to sell one in the refrigerated section.
I still want those.
Okay, whenever I got to pick a treat, because they were pricey for us when we were younger, I would always pick that shrimp cocktail.
Yeah.
It was so, so good. If you don't like cilantro, keep it out. Don't add parsley because you're going to change the flavor to this. But then again, if you're going to do it, go for it. Okay, I'm going to show you what I did with the shrimp. I kept a few with the whole with the whole shrimp, and I just sliced it down the middle. And then in order for me to get a lot of bites and easy to eat for younger crowds that can't really chew the big pieces, I cut them a lot smaller. The other reason I cut a lot of them a lot smaller like this is because I want there to be enough. And you know, one bag of shrimp is never enough, and you're like, ugh. And then you want to pay $20 for another bag. So make it comfortable for your home if you like the big pieces, or if you want to make it look like a lot. And then just begin to mix. Oh, cloudy. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, this makes me so happy.
I used to be a boss, man. When I was 5, when we go to the mariscos, I would always order like the shrimp cocktail, and then I would order the Coctel de pulpo on the side.
Oh, the Coctel de pulpo was... I didn't like that too much when I was younger, but as an adult, I adore it.
Our uncles would always be like, how can you eat that seafood? You're so young. And I was like,
because I like it. You've been a little sicko since you were young. You eat like some weird stuff. And I was like, what are you eating, Cod? How can you eat it?
I was always adventurous.
Because you really like super gamey things too. Like whenever you would eat like meats and stuff.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Let me taste this. I love that sweetness that the carrots and the ketchup give this. It is amazing.
Look at you. You came to work even with a migraine.
Yeah, you know what? I'm not gonna let migraines defeat me. It's a slight migraine, so you guys see me with the glasses, and you guys see me. You guys know why it's on. All right, let me plate this a little bit because I'm gonna show you the options of how you can consume this. Okay, guys? Give me 1 second. Okay, friends. If you don't like it spicy, you can skip this step, but I keep them and I slice them like this just so that it can give the flavor, and you can take it out whenever you're ready and it gives it the heat that you want, okay? Also, what I like to add on an individual part is the chiltepines, which is a little Mexican dried peppers. That adds such a good spice to this. So if you like it really spicy, you can chop your serrano really thinly, but this one, Bebe's been getting in on our seafood portions. The other thing is that I'm gonna tell you, if you don't know how to pre-cook your shrimp real easily, make sure to look in the description. I'm gonna write it down step by step for you, okay? So let me go ahead and pour. Whose mouth is watering right now because, good Lord. It's because once you've had these type of Mexican dishes, heavens. And every restaurant's gonna make it their particular way. Just make sure to go back to the ones that are making it how you like, because just because you like it at one spot doesn't mean that all the spots are gonna be that wonderful.
And every culture and every region has their own way of doing it.
And if this is not how your mom makes it, I'm not trying to replace your mother. I'm trying to teach our club how I make it, okay? In my home. So I'm sure your mom does a wonderful job. I love her just as much as you do. On her good days. Just don't be sending me your angry moms over here. Because I know how to be a wild mommy too. I don't like that.
The wild moms?
Yeah, I don't like to be a wild mommy. That's not my thing. I'm usually a Santitas kind of girl, the Santitas corn chips, because they're saints, you know? I'm a Santita. But recently I'm liking this Don Julio Mexican style chips. These are very restaurant style. They're super thin. I forgot. You can have this with corn chips. You can have it on a tostada. You can have it with some saltine crackers. Because I know somebody's gonna be like, where are your crackers? You know, my people, really, you guys come for me and I love you for that. You guys keep me honest. All right, friends, that's exactly how you make a Mexican shrimp cocktail. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that bell for notifications, and continue to leave me the comments. Cloud and I, as I mentioned, are really enjoying reading your guys' comments, and we're replying to as many people as we can because our channel is growing. We hit our 400 videos. We're at 150K subscribers. We're so grateful. Thank you guys so much for making this channel what it is. And for my Coctel de Camarón, I like to add a little bit of mayo. I'm that girl. And, oh yes, it's talking to me. Let's give this a good taste. I feel like Jerry Maguire. Who's coming with me?
Me. Let me get the fish.
Mmm. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh my goodness. Girl. I think you guys should get in on this. All right, friends. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me. And on that one, I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure that you guys are checking out here at the end the links. I have the cookout fiesta recipes for you guys to take for your festivities. And yeah, make sure to sign up for or subscribe to the Views Club. We have a lot of fun things going on there. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Adios. Girl, I love this.
I like mine with mayo too.
I'll give you some mayo,
Like
okay?
even on
No andes de llorona, te voy a dar mayonesa.
I know, I'm just saying if some people think that's weird, I like it.
Mm-hmm. I'm glad you're still eating with me because I'm going to show you guys that can't eat seafood. Well, you can alternate for the seafood. This right here is called a jicama. You peel the outside and it's a root vegetable. It has the consistency of a raw potato, but it doesn't taste like that. It has a lot of water, it has a lot of nutrients for you. So you guys can skip out of the Clamato juice if you guys don't eat seafood, and you can add this into the combination. So you guys see the other option for jicama. This is what I'm talking about.
So you just peel it and julienne it, right? Or
peel it and then chop it up into either big chunks. You can julienne it, whatever is gonna float your boat.